Today, the Congressional Budget Office released the consequences of what the Senate's version of health care would mean to the American people.
First, it would cause 22 million more people to be uninsured by 2020. But it would also, over the next 10 years, reduce federal spending by $321 billion.
Those least likely to have health insurance would be low-income people who rely on Medicaid, and the biggest jump in premiums would fall on the middle-aged and older people. A protest to any changes was held tonight in Warren. First News reporter Cameron O'Brien was there. She joins us live in the studio with our top story at 11.
Dozens of people gathered on Courthouse Square in Warren tonight to protest the Senate health care bill. More than 50 people chanted, "Don't take our health care away," over and over at tonight's rally for health care. Fear, uncertainty, words that describe how many at tonight's rally are currently feeling about the Senate's proposed health care bill.
I'm here because I'm very scared if this bill goes through, Trump care goes through, that it's going to actually kill a lot of people.
People like her. Olga is HIV positive. She's been living with the disease for 20 years. Her current benefits help her cover the thousands of dollars worth of medications she takes each month. Under the proposed health care bill, she'd have to pay for many of those meds out of pocket. That's something she can't afford to do.
And once you miss a dose of HIV meds, you're going to be dead in about 3-6 months.
Matthew Vinzant organized today's rally with Valley Voices United for Change. He says he's heard stories like Olga's over the past several months.
You cannot deny that people are concerned. And when people are concerned, when people are worried and fearful, they will go into action.
But that action can't stop with today's rally.
We have to make sure that we continue to engage, continue to agitate, and continue to keep the pressure going.
Get up and speak. We need you. Some of these senior citizens, we need your voice.
The Senate has to hold a procedural vote to move forward, most likely on Wednesday. 3 Republican senators tonight say they'll be voting no. Republicans can only afford 2 no votes. In the studio, Cameron O'Brien, WKBN 27 First News at 11.